How's it going? Conor here from Train Like a Warrior, and on today's video I'm going to be showcasing a 10-minute morning workout that you can perform to help put on some serious muscle mass throughout your upper body by using the power of your own body weight. I'm going to be following alongside you with this workout so we can really push each other to get maximum results. It's going to be 10 different body weight mass building exercises, and we're going to perform each movement for 30 seconds and take a 30-second rest in between each exercise. If any movement is too difficult, you can perform on your knees. So before I set the timer, it's going to be the dive bomb or push-up. So your hips are up high, okay? You're focusing on diving down, like so, full extension, and then right back up into your starting position. So 10-second countdown here on the timer, 30 seconds of work, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Let's do it. I want you to focus on good form, pushing out as many reps as you can get within the time frame, okay? Because you have a good rest period of 30 seconds. Five seconds remaining. Okay, good work. The next one is just your normal push-up, but it's slowing the movement right down, okay? So you're focusing slowly coming down and then slowly coming back up again. Time under tension, very good way to overload your body as it comes to body weight only training. Okay, so take that 10-second rest and get ready to go. Shoulder width apart with your hands, slowly coming down, slowly coming up. 2, 1, here we go. Slow it down. Okay, chest touches the ground, slowly come back up again. It's a tough one, especially after the dive bombs. Slowing it right down. Ten seconds remaining. Okay, brilliant work. Now the next one, we're going to target more the inner chest and the triceps with your lateral hand push-up. So your hands are turned inwards like so, and you're coming down, performing your push-up. Target the forearms, triceps, and inner chest. So this is exercise number 3 out of 10. Remember, 30 seconds of work, 30 seconds of rest. So push out as many reps as possible within the 30 seconds. Here we go. Remember, hands turn inwards, pushing out. "15 seconds remaining, push out the reps. Good work. Okay, the next one we're going to target the rear delts, the upper back with your iron cross push-ups. Okay, so in your position like so, hands fully extended, arms fully extended, clench fists coming right up, squeezing like that. Okay, that's your next exercise, and we're going to 10 seconds. Iron cross push-ups. Maybe focus on squeezing the contraction at the top of the movement. Okay, good work. The next one is a power push-up. We're halfway there. Okay, so a power push-up, basically what that is, I want you to come down in your normal push-up and then power right up. Okay, down slowly and then power. So you're pushing force, working on explosive power, strength. Going in 10 seconds. Let's get it, doing brilliant. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Slowly coming down, power back up again. Down, power. Control the breathing. Remember, you can always drop to your knees and perform exactly the same movement. 10 seconds. Good work. So the next one is going to be your plank punch. So core movement, and it's working on stabilization also. So you're in your plank position and you're punching like so. So you're rotating around a wee bit, throwing power into the punch. So just working your obliques also. Okay, we're going in 10 seconds. Plank punch. Okay, here we go. Throw a bit of power into the punch also. The more intensity you bring to these bodyweight workouts, the better results you're going to get. That's where so many people go wrong with bodyweight training. They don't bring the intensity. Good work. Next one, forward and back push-up. So what that is, you're in your low push-up position, going forward, back, and up. Okay? Forward, back, and up. Tough one, that one. This is exercise number 7. One 5 seconds, forward and back push-ups. Okay, here we go. Down, forward, back, and up. Go forward slightly, back, and up. You can also do this on your knees if you need to. Now the next one, exercise number 8, is your Superman. So you're lying down on the ground like so, arms out front, and then you're coming up and squeezing right round like that, okay? It's good movement for your lower back. So you're coming up, and then arms fully extended, coming right down and around. That's the next one. One in 5 seconds. Let's do it. So arms out, come up, right round, and really focus on the squeeze and the contraction. Okay, the next one is your wide grip push-ups. So hands wide apart and just coming down in your normal push-up position, wide grips. Okay, this is exercise number 9, so we're nearly there. It's the second last exercise. Wide grips. Here we go. Hands wider than shoulder width. Ten seconds remaining. Keep the power, keep the intensity. This is it now, the last exercise, diamond grip push-ups to finish. 30 seconds of work, and that is us workout complete. Now this goes to show you the power bodyweight training, because this is not an easy workout, and the more intensity you bring, the more effective and the better results you're going to get. Right, let's get it. We're going to 5 seconds, diamond grip push-ups. If you're on your knees, try to get up and push it out. Go as many as you can and then draw it down if you need to. Right, here we go. Ten seconds. 5 per minute. Oh. There it is, team. There is your 10-minute morning upper body muscle building workout complete. I really hope that you enjoyed this workout, because it is extremely effective, and the more consistent you get with these type of workouts, the better the results you're going to do. And don't be afraid to complete another round, or even another 2 rounds if you want. Team, if you enjoyed these follow along workout videos, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, okay? Leave a comment, let me know what more workout videos you would like to see, and I will definitely produce them. And also be sure to hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of these upcoming videos, so we can keep pushing forward together. And if you want to work personally alongside with me, click the link below and become a Train Like a Warrior member today. And once again, don't forget to check out the other follow along workout videos here on the channel. And let's keep this momentum going. Have a good day. See you in the next one.